This video covers some basic tips for using and installing a combination car seat in the forward-facing position with a harness using a seat belt. Before you begin, read your instruction manual for your car seat. Also, read your vehicle owner's manual on child restraint systems and how to lock your vehicle's seat belt. Because every car seat and vehicle is different, it's important to follow all instructions carefully. Place the car seat in the back seat of your vehicle in the forward-facing position. Carefully thread the seat belt through the correct belt path. Be careful not to have any twists. Buckle the seat belt. Lock the seat belt, press down firmly on the car seat, and tighten. The car seat should not move side to side or front to back more than 1 inch. Properly position the harness on your child. Harness straps should lie flat, not twisted, and be placed through the slot that is at or above your child's shoulders. Buckle the harness and the chest clip and tighten. The harness is snug enough when you cannot pinch any extra material at the shoulder. Place the chest clip at armpit level. Your child is now secure and ready to go. Continue to use your combination car seat with a harness for as long as possible. Once your child reaches the top height or weight limits allowed by your car seat manufacturer, it's time to travel in a booster.